shoes, check out the white shoes, check out the white shoes.
Dad, what's for dinner?
White shoes, check out the white shoes, check out the white shoes.
Welcome back to another episode of Dad, What's for Dinner? Today we're making a quick and easy red chili. Get that pot set to a medium heat. We're going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil or avocado oil. We're going to add our onions and get those sauteing. And we're just going to get those nice and mixed up there. Then we're going to add some sliced up chili peppers. I have serranos. You can use jalapenos. These came out of my mom's garden, actually. So we're just going to add those to the mix. They're very, very hot. So make sure you test them first to see if you like it hot. And then I'm adding some orange beefsteak, also out of my mom's garden. But you can just add a can of diced up tomatoes, or you can use red tomatoes. It doesn't really matter. Make it your own. And we're just going to let that saute and cook down a little bit. And we're going to add a pound of ground beef. This is, I believe, 93% or 95% lean ground beef. And we're just going to chop that up nicely in there. Let that cook down with all the onions, peppers, and the beefsteak tomatoes. Again, you can use canned tomatoes as well. Make it your own. I'm adding about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. And we're doing about a teaspoon and a half of salt. I'm using kosher salt, but you can just use regular table salt there. I mean, just make it to taste. This smells amazing already. I wish you guys could smell this. Then I'm just chopping up the meat there a little bit, mixing it in with all the onions, peppers, and the tomatoes. And I'm adding 1 tablespoon of garlic, minced garlic. I just use it straight out of the bottle, out of the cold section. And then I'm adding half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, give it a nice smoky flavor, and about a half a teaspoon of oregano. And about 2.5 tablespoons of your chili powder. That's fancy like chili powder that I like to use. And you'll see I'll add a little more later because I actually put about a teaspoon there or tablespoon there. And you want to add a full can of tomato sauce. Then I added about another half of that can of water and a full can of pinto beans. Now you can use kidney beans here or any bean of your choice. Black beans, it's all up to you. And we're just going to stir that in nice, get everything nice and mixed up. All right, it looks amazing. It smells amazing too. And let's go ahead and turn that heat down to a simmer. And there I am adding some more chili powder. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of comino powder or cumin, depending on where you're from. And we're just going to mix it all in together real quick there. And like I said, it smells and looks absolutely amazing. Wish you guys could smell that. And there we are. We got it to a simmer there. And again, I'm just mixing it, letting it cook down, let everything kind of come together, all the flavors come together. And now let's spoon some into a bowl. It's time to eat. And again, guys, this is really quick, really easy. You can make this in about 15 minutes. You come home from work, throw this on, and you have a nice quick dinner. You could even make some hot dogs, and you have some chili dogs with this. Like I said, about 15 minutes, and you're good. I added some chopped chives for a little garnishment there. Go ahead and add your cheese, add your sour cream. Oh, man, this stuff is delicious. I love this stuff. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks, guys.